Hi everybody, thanks for looking at this 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5. The SR5 is about in the middle of Toyota's range of trims for the Tacoma. Gives you some nice chrome accents here around the grille, as well as your inlaid fog lamps here in the lower section of the bumper. You have a 16-inch alloy rim there, mounted up with a Firestone Destination tire. Looks to be about half tread or so. Have your chrome Toyota badging here in the back. If you look here, you'll see a little line right there. This is actually from the factory. There's a layer coating over this section to protect it from rocks and chips and things that might get thrown off the front wheel into this section of the truck. Just helps protect your paint, keep things looking good for years to come. Similarly, there's another piece of that coating right here, as well as some black molding here, all serving the same purpose. I have a nice chrome bumper back there. Toyota has this, this is actually a plastic bed. It's incredibly tough though. I mean, if you feel it, it's probably just as tough, if not tougher than the steel variants. It's not gonna dent. And it's sort of one of those things you actually have to touch it and feel it to realize how strong that is. Coming down here, you have your trailer hitch with the wiring for both the integrated brake type and just the regular 4-pin light system for trailers. Continuing around, got your matching rims and tires there. Taking a look inside, you do have power windows and locks. However, the driver's seat is a manually adjusted seat. Your lumbar support, your tilt, and then to slide back and forth, the bar is up here. As we jump in here, I take the key out for a second, just to point out that we do have 2 keys. Just over a $200 value in this car that we include with every vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Just wanted one more crank there to start up. It does have 15,737 miles on it. So pretty low miles on a 17. Plenty of the factory bumper-to-bumper warranty left, which is 336, or the factory powertrain, which is 5 years and 60,000 miles. So plenty of both of those. All of your standard Bluetooth controls over here, menu navigation here. Climate controls, your 4-wheel drive lock, as well as your buttons for heated mirrors. You do have your auxiliary outlet for audio and your USB there, and your 12-volt power supply for plugging in any type of car jacks there. Coming up here, if you hit the apps button, you can see you got all your options for navigation. There's also some integrated things from Toyota for traffic and weather, as well as eco settings to look at various types of fuel economy and things of that nature. All right, just gonna get out of the car here, take a little walk around and show you any sort of imperfections the truck may have. All the vehicles here at All Things Automotive are very clean, however they are used, and we strive to be as open and straightforward with the process as possible. Starting up here in the front, don't really notice any chips or anything. There's a small scratch on the hood right there. Continuing back around, side looks to be pretty much dent-free, as does the bed side. No real dents, chips, nothing like that. There is a brush here on the chrome section of the bumper where the bumper was brushed by something. Could probably actually paint that with some variety of paint to really make that blend, which might wind up getting done before you would ever look at the truck. There's also another small scratch right here, and a small scratch there. Overall, very clean truck though. If you'd like to check it out in person, you can stop in and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road. Keep checking us out online at thomasata.com or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for watching this video.